Wanting to know the difference between a pellet smoker and a ceramic Kamado smoker? This is a video for you. Firstly, let's look at the fuel sources. So pellet smoker uses a small compressed wood chip to produce your heat and flavor. Kamados, on the other hand, use charcoal and timber. This gives you a much stronger smoke profile and much higher heat potential, especially considering you've got the ability to have a heat source directly below your grill. Kamados are a bit more hands-on, mostly controlling the temperature with vents in and exhaust out. But don't stress, thanks to a Kamado's thermal mass, they are very stable, so they actually really don't take that much intervention. They will tick along for hours on end. Some people enjoy this hands-on control, others want a more hands-off experience. That's where a pellet smoker really thrives. Not to mention your app connectivity, you essentially fire them up, sit back and let them do their thing. Pellet smokers also offer a larger cooking area, especially for those products that have multiple rack tiers. So for those that want a smoking experience that's relatively hands-on, a little bit of control but it's not going to sap your entire day, the Kamado is a fantastic option for you. Otherwise, those that just want to let it do its thing and enjoy the results, go for a pellet smoker.